Hello guys and welcome back na naman sa ating channel. And today marks the 5th month of our investing journey. And alamin natin kung swak ba sa ating financial goal or hindi yung naging resulta over the past 5 months. Ito kasing ating goal for this fund is to get 1 million pesos within a reasonable time. And if you're interested, please watch this video. Hello once again, and ayun na nga, bago tayo pumunta dun sa naging resulta ng ating investment over the past 5 months, i-recap muna natin yung ating financial goal kasi dito nagmumula lahat eh. Dito mo malalaman kung gaano ka katagal mo i-invest, magkano i-invest mo, and magkano yung rate of return na kailangan mo annually. And na pag-i-invest kasi sa mga UITF or stocks or cryptocurrencies, parang business lang din yan na dapat ka may goal. Kung wala kang goal, bakit ka pa nag-i-invest, diba? So, dapat yung ating goal, again, so ito tinuturo na to as early as elementary age, yung ating SMART goals, diba? Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound na goal. And para dito sa ating ginvest fund, diba? Yung ating goal dito is to have 1 million pesos in reasonable time, diba? So, ayun yung ating specific and measurable goal. Now, let us define yung ating attainable and realistic. So, yung attainable and realistic, dito yan magre-relate sa ating rate of return. Dapat yung rate of return natin realistic and attainable. And para dito sa G-Invest Fund, so, as conservative as 6% yung sineset ko na annual return niya. So, it may go up or down, but I think 6% is already a realistic and reasonable na rate of return for this aggressive fund. Okay? And then, yung ating time-bound, syempre, yung ating investment, mag-i-invest tayo ng 2,000 lang monthly. Hindi natin pwede sabihin na milyonaryo na agad tayo next year. Kasi hindi yun attainable and realistic nga, di ba? So, time-bound. So, kukumpitin natin kung gaano katagal tayo mag-i-stay invested para ma-achieve yung ating first million by investing as low as 2,000 pesos monthly. And ito kasi yung sagot sa katanungan ng marami sa inyo dun sa comment section. So, kailan ba daw dapat sila bumili? And kailan ba daw dapat sila magbenta? So, bibili ba daw sila monthly? And magbebenta na ba sila kasi tumubo na? Kasi, ayun, masasagot yun by defining your financial goal nga, diba? Kasi kung wala kang specific na time on how long are you going to invest, so then basically, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka kasi magbebenta, diba? So, ayan, itong pagsiset ng ating goal is makakatulong sa atin para sagutin yung mga tanong na yun. Okay? So, ito yung ating variables para ma-attain yung ating SMART goal na 1 million pesos. So, ang ating monthly investment should be 2,000 pesos monthly. So, ito yung ating starting point, 2,000 lang, di ba? And ayun, yung mga sumasahod dyan ng I think mga 20,000 or less, I think kaya nyo mag-ipon ng at least 2,000 pesos monthly. Pero kung hindi kaya, syempre, pababaan mo yung iyong monthly commitment dito sa ating investment. Okay? So, ayun yung ating monthly commitment. 2,000 pesos ang ating starting point, pero pwede natin yan in-increase kapag nag-i-increase yung ating cash flow, di ba? Kapag lumalaki yung sahod natin and nagkakaroon tayo ng mga side hustle. So, pwede natin i-increase yung ating monthly investment para mapabilis yung pag-achieve ng ating financial goal. Okay? And next naman natin na variable for us to achieve yung ating financial goal na 1 million is yung ating required rate of return. Ayan, so to be conservative, sinet ko na siya sa 6% kasi nga, pwede pang mas mataas dito or pwede rin mas mababa. But I think 6% is already a reasonable return dito sa mga funds na napili ko dito sa G-Invest. Yung Global Technology Feeder Fund and Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. So I think 6% is already a reasonable rate of return annually. Okay? And ito yung pinakamahalaga dito, yung target years. Kasi nga, ang kaya ko lang na invest 2,000 pesos monthly, hindi ako mag-expect na milyonaryo na agad ako in 5 years, di ba? So, ang estimated number of years bago ko ma-achieve yung aking first million by investing 2,000 pesos monthly is 21.5 years, diba? Napakatagal, 21.5 years. So, I hope nandito pa tayong lahat sa ating channel bago natin ma-achieve yun, diba? Pero ayun, so monthly, samahan nyo ako para i-recap yung ating investment fund. Okay? And ayun, medyo matagal nga lang siya, pero realistic naman siya kasi nga 2,000 lang yung ini-invest natin monthly, diba? And hindi tayo mag-expect ng napakalaki. Okay? And ayun, it's better pa rin na magkaroon ng 1 million pesos in 21.5 years than to have no savings or investments at all, di ba? So, pwede ka pa rin yumaman, pero mas matagal nga lang. Pero ayun, hindi ka naman kasi ganun kayaman, kaya nga 2,000 pesos lang yung ini-invest mo monthly, kaya okay pa rin, di ba? Kasi magkakapera ka pa rin at the end of 21.5 years. So, if you started investing early, so as early as 20 years old, so magkakaroon ka ng iyong first million at age 42, di ba? Okay, so that's all for our financial goals. So, recap lang natin, 2,000 pesos monthly, and then ang ating annual required rate of return is 6%. And then ang ating target number of years to stay invested is 21.5 years. So medyo matagal, pero pwede na at least ma-achieve natin yung ating financial goal. Okay? Now let's have a recap of what happened on our investment over the 5 months period. So para dun sa mga hindi pa nag-i-invest or natatakot pa rin mag-invest, so ito yung actual return niya over the 5 months period na nag-invest ako dito. And by the way, ayun nga, nag-i-invest ako dito monthly, 2,000 pesos, regardless of the price. And ang aking strategy na ginagamit dito is Peso Cost Averaging. Yung Peso Cost Averaging, you just consistently put money over a period of time dito sa investment regardless of the price. So kahit mataas yan, kahit mababa, wala kang pakialam. Kasi nga, nagpe-Peso Cost Averaging ka lang and wala kang analysis na ginagawa. Okay? And ito yung naging resulta ng ating Peso Cost Averaging over the 5 months. So right now, meron siyang 5.26% na cumulative unrealized gain. And I can personally say na pwede na to, di ba? Kasi nga, maraming mga investor dyan, yung mga nagda-direct investing, marahil, medyo lugi pa sila sa panahon ngayon kasi nga medyo pangit yung market ulit natin. And ayun, at least dito, meron kang 5% over the past 5 months, di ba? At least yung pera mo hindi natutulog, di ba? Your money works for you while you are staking. So, literal na ganon. Kasi nga, nag-i-invest ka lang ng i-invest and yung fund manager yung bahala mag-handle ng funds mo, di ba? So, kahit matulog ka dyan, gagalaw itong iyong investment. So, yun yung maganda dito. And kung makikita nyo dito sa chart natin, yung ating investment, hindi pa natin siya ramdam nung bandang March, April, and May. Pero nung June and July, medyo lumayo na yung market value natin dun sa ating total cost of investment. I think nung June, around 4 to 5% yung return niya. And right now, ngayong July, nasa 5 to 6% na siya. Okay? And for this month, nakapaghulog na ako ng 2,000 pesos. And ayun, reminder dun sa mga hindi pa naguhulog dyan ng inyong investment. So please do so. Kung meron kayo monthly commitment, baka makalimutan nyo kasi. So silipin naman natin yung individual funds na pinag-i-investan ko para makonsider nyo din kung saan ba dapat kayo mag-invest, diba? So dito sa Technology Feeder Fund, ang kanyang return to date is 7%, diba? And yung ating Consumer Fund is, ang kanyang return ngayon is 4%. So, ang average na, nasa around 5 to 6%. Diba? So, mas malaki yung return ng Global Technology Feeder Fund kaysa dun sa Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. And to share with you, wala akong investment sa other funds. Kasi nga, yung Philippine stock market natin, ako personally nag-handle ng sarili kong portfolio. And doon naman sa bond and peso money market fund, so hindi siya swak sa aking risk appetite. Kasi nabababaan ako sa return niya, di ba? Pero kayo kung hindi swak sa risk appetite nyo, yung aggressive funds, then go for the lower risk investment, diba? Nandan yung bond fund and peso money market fund. So that's all for the update for our road to million pesos. And I hope nandito pa rin kayo sa channel natin by the time na ma-reach natin yung ating first million in 21.5 years. Okay? And thank you for watching and see you on my next video.